is to kindly deliver the farewell address.
Respected Justice Sunita Yadav ji and my esteemed colleagues, Shri Prashant Singh, Advocate General Madhya Pradesh, Shri Pushpender Yadav, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Jabalpur, Shri Himanshu Joshi, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Indore Bench, Shri Praveen Kumar Nevaskar, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Gwalior Bench, Shri Ankur Modi, Additional Advocate General, Gwalior, Shri Adullah Usmani, Member, State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Dhanya Kumar Jain, President, High Court Bar Association, Jabalpur, Shri Ritesh Inani, President, High Court Bar Association, Indore, Shri Pawan Pathak, President, High Court Bar Association, Gwalior, Shri Sanjay Agarwal, President, High Court Bar Association, Jabalpur, Aditya Adhikari, General Secretary, Senior Advocates, Council, Jabalpur, the Registrar General and officers of the registry, learned member of the bar and family member of Justice Sunita Yadav. Today, we have gathered to honor and bid farewell to an exemplary judge, Justice Sunita Yadav, on the occasion of her retirement from High Court of Madhya Pradesh. This moment is both a conclusion of her illustrious judicial career and a celebration of her remarkable contributions to justice, the rule of law, and the legal fraternity. Justice Sunita Yadav's journey through the judiciary has been a testament to dedication, preservation, and excellence. Born on January 13, 1963, she pursued her law degree at Ravi Shankar University, Raipur, graduating in 1986. She began her judicial career as civil judge class 2 on September 7, 1987 and reached to the position as district and session judge. Justice Sunita Yadav has served with distinction across several districts including Ashoknagar, Datia, Satna, Dabra, Chhatarpur, Gwalior and Morena, leaving a lasting impact at every position. In addition to her judicial responsibility, she has held key administrative roles, including as Deputy Welfare Commissioner at the Commissioner, Bhopal Gas Victim, Bhopal, and as Executive Director Law, Delhi Electricity Regular Commission, New Delhi. Justice Sunita Yadav was elevated as Judge of Madhya Pradesh High Court on 15 June 2021. Throughout her tenure as a High Court judge, Justice Yadav has disposed of approximately 14,000 matters, many of which have set significant legal precedents. For instance, in case of Prakash Veer and others versus Murthy Shri Dwarkadhish Maharaj, having discussed several pronouncements delivered by the Supreme Court, it was held that when the trust is being governed by the body constituted under the Societies Registration Act, then the provisions of MP Public Trust Act will not be applicable. In another case of Laddu Ram Kori versus Jaipal Singh Jaji and others, it was held that validity of caste certificate cannot be adjudicated in election petitions. Her judgments reflects a deep understanding of the law, unwavering commitment to justice, and a compassion for underprivileged. Her ability to balance the strict application of legal principles with the human elements of the cases is noteworthy. Justice Sunita Yadav's contribution extends beyond her judicial duties. Her active involvement in committees and her mentorship to junior judicial officers and young members of the bar have strengthened the institution and inspired the next generation of legal professionals. On a personal note, Justice Sunita Yadav's ability to seamlessly balance her demanding professional life with her role as a dedicated wife and mother is truly inspiring. Her spouse, Dr. S.P. Yadav, is an Indian Forest Service officer and is presently posted as Director General, International Big Cat Alliance. Her son Siddharth has done a PhD from London University. He has a thriving career in public research policy and is working overseas. Her family's unwavering support has been a cornerstone of her success and a reflection of her remarkable ability to lead a balanced life. As Justice Sunita Yadav steps into his new chapter of her life, we are confident that her wisdom, experience, and values will continue to guide and benefit our society. On behalf of the judiciary, the bar, and everyone fortunate enough to have worked alongside her, I extend our deepest gratitude to Justice Sunita Yadav for exceptional service. Your contribution, Madam, will forever be cherished and your legacy will inspire generations to come. We wish her a retirement filled with joy, good health, and countless opportunities to pursue her passion. Jai Hind.
I request Advocate General Sri Prashant Singh to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Shriman Suresh Kumar Kaid Sahab, Honorable companion judges, members of the registry, esteemed members of the bar, respected speakers, friends and family members of Honorable Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav ji, ladies and gentlemen. It is with a profound sense of respect and gratitude that we gather here today to bid farewell to Honorable Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav ji, a distinguished judge whose career exemplifies the highest ideals of public service. Honorable Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav's journey spanning over 3 illustrious decades stands as a testament to her commitment to the rule of law, her perseverance in the face of challenges, and her unrelenting pursuit of fairness. Born on 13th of January 1963, her ladyship embarked on her judicial career as a civil judge class 2 in the Madhya Pradesh Judicial Service on 7th of September 1987. Even in those formative years, she displayed not only an exceptional grasp of legal principles, but also the compassion and moral fortitude required to administer justice with empathy and equity. Over the years, her ladyship has served with distinction in several critical roles, each demanding exceptional acumen and integrity. As district and sessions judge in Ashoknagar and Datia, she established herself as a meticulous adjudicator. Her role as Deputy Welfare Commissioner for Bhopal gas victims showcased her ability to balance the technical complexities of law with the humane needs of one of the most vulnerable communities. Her tenure as Director Law at the Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission further illustrated her versatility and ability to adapt to diverse legal domains with precision and dedication. Her elevation as a judge of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 25th of June 2021 was a fitting recognition of her unparalleled service to the judiciary. From the bench, Honorable Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav approached every matter with intellectual rigor balanced by an acute awareness of the human impact of her decisions. Her legal reasoning has not only set benchmarks in jurisprudence, but has also inspired confidence in the rule of law among litigants and legal professionals alike. Today, as we reflect on her remarkable career, we are reminded that her contributions go far beyond the cases she has adjudicated upon. They are embodied in the lives she has influenced, the young professionals she has mentored, and the remarkable faith she has instilled in the justice system. Her legacy will remain a beacon of inspiration, guiding generations of lawyers and judges to approach their roles with the same integrity, empathy, and intellectual commitment that have defined her career. As Honorable Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav now steps into a new chapter of her life, I, along with her colleagues, admirers, and the entire legal fraternity, extend our heartfelt wishes for a future filled with joy, good health, and cherished moments with her family. While her official duties as a judge conclude today, the wisdom, kindness, and passion for justice she embodies will undoubtedly continue to resonate and inspire all those privileged to have known her. I, on my own behalf and on behalf of the state of Madhya Pradesh and all the law officers, extend my deepest gratitude to her ladyship for her exemplary service. I also wish her and her family every happiness and success in their future endeavors.
I request Deputy Solicitor General for the Union of India, Jabalpur, Shri Pushpender Yadav, to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav, Honorable Companion Judges of the Court, Officers of the Registry, esteemed members of the Bar, ladies and gentlemen. We gather here today to bid farewell to legal luminary, Honorable Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav, who has rendered decades of distinguished service to the judiciary and the legal fraternity. Her ladyship's illustrious career stands as a testament to her unwavering commitment to justice and her tireless dedication to public service. Her ladyship embarked on a remarkable journey after completing her BSc and LLB degrees. She joined the Madhya Pradesh Judicial Service as a Civil Judge Class 2 on 7th September 1987. Thereafter, after achieving various milestones during the judicial career and also served in various key capacities, her ladyship on 25th June 2021 elevated as a judge of this Honorable High Court, a role in which she continued to exemplify judicial excellence. Her tenure as a High Court judge was characterized by her keen legal acumen and her commitment to upholding the rule of law. As we bid farewell to her ladyship, we celebrate her remarkable contributions and her indelible impact on the judiciary. Her legacy will undoubtedly inspire future generations of legal professionals and judges. While her departure leaves a void in the legal fraternity, we are confident that her wisdom and experience will continue to benefit society in the years to come. In the end, I, on behalf of Union of India and its law officer and my own behalf, extend our deepest gratitude to my Lord for her years of service, dedication, and the countless contributions to justice, and also wish her the very best in all her future endeavors. May this new chapter in her life bring her happiness, fulfillment, and continued success.
I request Deputy Solicitor General for the Union of India, Indore, Shri Himanshu Joshi, to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Shri Prashant Singh Ji, Advocate General, Shri Pushpender Yadav, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Jabalpur, Shri Praveen Kumar Nevaskar, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Gwalior Bench, Shri Ankur Modi, Additional Advocate General, Gwalior, Shri Radhelal Ji Gupta, Chairman, State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, Shri D.K. Jain, President, High Court Bar Association, Shri Ritesh Hinani, President, High Court Bar Association, Indore, Shri Pawan Pathak, President, High Court Bar Association, Gwalior, Shri Sanjay Agrawal, President, High Court Bar Advocate Association, Jabalpur, Shrimati Shobha Menon Ma'am, President, Senior Advocates Council, Senior Advocates, Member of the Bar, Registrar General, and the Member of the Registry. Today we gather here to bid farewell to an exceptional member of the judiciary, Honorable Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav, who has served the judiciary with unwavering dedication, excellence, and distinction. Born on 13 January 1963, Honorable Justice Yadav embarked on her journey of legal excellence with a strong academic foundation, holding degree in BSc and LLB. Her illustrious career began in the Madhya Pradesh Judicial Service as a civil judge on September 7, 1987. Over the year, her ladyship, commitments, and diligence led to a series of well-deserved promotions to Civil Judge Class 1 in 1994, Chief Judicial Magistrate ACJM in 1997, and finally to the Higher Judiciary Services in 2000. Her ladyship's notable career has been marked by not only her legal acumen, but also her emphatic approach. She has served with great distinction in various capacities. Commissioner for Bhopal Case Victims, Director Law at the Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commissions, and a special judge under the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocities Act. Her roles as a district and session judge in Ashok Nagar in Datia further underscore her resourcefulness and depth of legal expertise. Justice Sunita Yadav's elevation to the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on June 25, 2021 was a profound knowledge of law, her ability to dispense justice fairly, and her commitment to upholding the principles enriched in our Constitution. Throughout her career, Justice Yadav has demonstrated a rare ability to balance judicial prudence with human compassion, ensuring that justice was not just delivered, but felt by those who sought it. Her work reflects a deep understanding of the complexities of law and the importance of justice in its truest sense. As we bid adieu to Honorable Justice Yadav, we celebrate not only her remarkable contributions to the judiciary, but also the enduring legacy she leaves behind. Her journey will continue to inspire generations of legal professions to strive for excellence and serve society with integrity. Your ladyship's absence will be deeply felt in the courtrooms and the corridors of justice, but your contribution will remain a guiding light for us all. I, on my own behalf and on behalf of Union of India, extend my best wishes to Justice Yadav for a bright future and a life filled with great health and happiness. Thank you.
I request Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Gwalior, Sri Praveen Kumar Nevaskar, to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Honorable Chief Justice, Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav, Honorable Chief Justice S.A. Dharmadhikari, Administrative Judge, Jabalpur, Honorable Chief Justice Vivek Rusia, Administrative Judge, Indore, Honorable Chief Justice Anand Pathak, Administrative Bench, Gwalior, Honorable Judges sitting on dais at Jabalpur, Indore and Gwalior, Shri Prashant Singh, the Advocate General, Shri Pushpendra Yadav, Deputy Solicitor General, Jabalpur, Shri Himanshu Joshi, Deputy Solicitor General, Indore, Shri Ankur Modi, Osmani, Member State Bar Council, Shri D.K. Jain, President High Court Bar Association, Jabalpur, Shri Ritesh Rani, President High Court Bar Association, Indore, Shri Pawan Pathak, President High Court Bar Association, Gwalior, Shri Sanjay Agarwal, President High Court Bar Association, Jabalpur, Shri Aditya Adhikari, General Secretary, Senior Advocates Council, respected members of Bar, respected senior advocates, Principal Registrar, Registrar General. Today we are gathered to bid farewell to Honorable Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav on the eve of superannuation as the Judge of this Honorable Court. Honorable Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav was born on 13 January 1963 after completing LLB degree from Ravi Shankar University, Raipur in 1986. Her ladyship joined the MP Judicial Services Civil Judge Class 2 on 7/9/87. Her ladyship was promoted as Civil Judge Class 1 on 13/6/1994 at District Raipur. As a Chief Judicial Magistrate in 1997, Honorable Justice Sunita Yadav was promoted as officiating District Judge in the Higher Judicial Services in 2000 at District Bhopal. She was granted selection grade pay scale with 2016. Served as the Municipal District Judge at District Ashoknagar, Datia, and also several judicial officers in different capacities in Satna, Dabra, Chhatarpur, Gwalior, and Morena. Her ladyship has discharged duties as Deputy Welfare Commissioner, Bhopal Guest Victim, Bhopal, and Executive Director Law, Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission, New Delhi. Her ladyship married to Mr. S.P. Yadav, Indian Forest Service, presently posted Director General, International Big Cat Alliance, established by the Union of India. Her ladyship took oath as a judge of the Honorable High Court on 25th June 2021, has been working Gwalior Bench since 2022. Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav has delivered landmark judgments in the High Court of Madhya Pradesh, reflecting her legal acumen and approach. During her tenure, her ladyship disposed of as many as 273 cases while sitting at division bench at Jabalpur, 2009 cases while sitting at single bench in Jabalpur. Her ladyship, while sitting at division bench at Indore, also disposed of 11 cases. In Gwalior bench, her ladyship has disposed of 169 cases while sitting in division bench, 12,914 cases while sitting in single bench, on 83 cases in Lok Adalat. The judgment delivered by her ladyship would enlighten judicial fraternity, would be assistant to the bench and bar in the time to come. A hard-working judge known for giving patient hearing to everyone, which reflects from her judgment. This also resulted in a deep administration of justice. Members of bar, her leadership has demonstrated paramount standard of ethic conduct that is to stood out. I, on behalf of and also of Union of India, convey our express gratitude to all the faith and truth her leadership has bestowed upon the guided us towards excellence. Thank you.
I request Additional Advocate General Gwalior Sri Ankar Modi to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable Chief Justice Shri Suresh Kumar Kath, Honorable Justice Sunita Yadav and other companion judges, Honorable Speakers, family members of Justice Sunita Yadav, Registrar General and other staff of Registry, senior advocates and esteemed members of the bar. Today we gather to honor and bid farewell to an exceptional jurist, Justice Sunita Yadav, whose illustrious career has significantly enriched the judiciary of Madhya Pradesh and is emitting the office of the judge of this honorable court after a distinguished career. Born on January 13, 1963, Justice Yadav pursued her legal education at Ravi Shankar University, Raipur, completing her law degree in 1986. In the Madhya Pradesh Judicial Services as Civil Judge Class 2 on September 7, 1987, in District Raipur. Her dedication and legal acumen led to her promotion as a Civil Judge Class 1 on June 13, 1994, and subsequently as Chief Judicial Magistrate on June 9, 1997. In recognition of her exemplary service, she was elevated to the position of officiating District Judge in the Higher Judicial Services on July 27 in the year 2000 at Bhopal. Throughout her tenure, Justice Yadav has been known for her unwavering commitment to justice, her profound understanding of law, and her compassionate approach to the cases before her. Beyond her judicial duties, Justice Yadav has served as portfolio judge for Disha and family courts in the Gwalior Road, where she has been instrumental in guiding and mentoring the judicial officers at her jurisdiction. During her tenure in Gwalior Bench, Justice Yadav did a highly commendable job in administering the bail roster assigned to her, especially during the time when this bench was already struggling with its caseload due to paucity of judges. It was a common sight in her courtroom, seeing her ladyship relentlessly going on hearing and disposing of bails. Swift disposal of bail applications by Justice Yadav came as a great respite to those languishing in the prison awaiting hearing of their bail applications. Her judgments have consistently reflected a deep sense of fairness and a steadfast adherence to the principles of justice. Colleagues and litigants alike have admired her for her ladyship's clarity of thought, integrity, and humane touch she brought to the bench. As we bid farewell to Justice Yadav, we acknowledge the void her retirement will create in our judicial community. However, her legacy of dedication, wisdom, and on new chapter of your life, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for your invaluable in all your future endeavors. With this, I, on behalf of the government of Madhya Pradesh and its law officers and the Office of Advocate General, would like to convey our gratitude to her ladyship, Justice Sunita Yadav, for her services to this court. We will always fondly remember her contribution to the rule of law and to this High Court. We wish her the very best in her future pursuit and pray a long, happy, and fulfilling life.
I request Member, State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, Sri Abdullah Asmani, to deliver his farewell speech.
My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh, My Lord Chief Justice Srimati Sunita Yadav, and companion judges of this honorable court, the Shri Prashant Singh, Advocate General Madhya Pradesh, Shri Pushpendra Yadav, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Shri Himanshu Joshi, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Indore Bench, Shri Praveen Kumar Navaskar, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Gwalior Bench, Shri Ankur Modi, Additional Advocate General, Gwalior, Shri Dhanya Kumar Jain, President High Court Bar Association, Jabalpur, Shri Ritesh Inani, President High Court Bar Association, Indore, Shri Pawan Pathak, President High Court Bar Association, Gwalior, Shri Sanjay Agarwal, President High Court Advocates Bar Association, Jabalpur, Shri Aditya Adhikari, General Secretary, Senior Advocates Council, Jabalpur, respected judicial officers, and my fellow advocates of the state of Madhya Pradesh, we all have gathered here to bid farewell to Justice Srimati Sunita Yadav, who is demitting the office today. I am privileged to get this opportunity to my Lord Justice Srimati Sunita Yadav, who is an embodiment of success earned through her sheer hard work, sincerity and dedication. My Lord was born on 13 January 1963. My Lord, after completing her studies, joined the Madhya Pradesh Judicial Services as Civil Judge Class 2 in the year 1987, then promoted to Higher Judicial Services in the year 2000, then as an District and Session Judge, Ashoknagar and Datia. Her Lordship has rendered her service in various capacities. Then my Lord was elevated as a judge of this honorable court in the year 2021. My Lord's greatest achievement in her acceptability is the acceptability by the advocates and litigants and the common man. For a judge, if they feel and realize that before the court they feel get justice, then judge has succeeded and justifies occupying the chair of the prestigious office of this honorable court. Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav has achieved the same. My Lord Justice Srimati Sunita Yadav has never strayed from her responsibilities in dispensation of justice. She believed only in performing her duties to the best of her ability and knowledge. My Lord Justice Srimati Sunita Yadav is capable to decide any matter in a very light and easy manner. My Lord is very prompt in reaching to the correct conclusion and decision of any matter. My Lord, I, on behalf of the State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, on behalf of the advocates of the state of Madhya Pradesh, and my own behalf, wish you, your Lordship, all the best for the days to come and wish you a very happy and healthy life. Thank you, sir.
I request President High Court Bar Association Jabalpur Shri Dhanya Kumar Jain to deliver his farewell speech.
माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधिपति श्री सुरेश कुमार कैद जी, माननीय न्यायाधिपति श्रीमती सुनीता यादव जी, माननीय न्यायाधिपति गण मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय, माननीय महाधिवक्ता श्री प्रशांत सिंह जी, माननीय पुष्पेंद्र यादव जी, डिप्टी सॉलिसिटर जनरल भारत सरकार, माननीय अहादुल्ला उस्मानी जी, सदस्य मध्य प्रदेश राज्य अधिवक्ता परिषद, माननीय रितेश इनानी जी, अध्यक्ष हाईकोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन इंदौर, माननीय पवन पाठक जी, अध्यक्ष हाईकोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन ग्वालियर, माननीय संजय अग्रवाल जी, अध्यक्ष हाईकोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन जबलपुर, माननीय आदित्य अधिकारी जी, सीनियर एडवोकेट काउंसिल, माननीय रजिस्ट्रार जनरल महोदय एवं माननीय सभी रजिस्ट्रारगण एवं माननीय सभी अधिवक्तागण एवं उपस्थित अतिथिगणों को सादर नमस्कार। मैं अपनी बात प्रारंभ करने के पूर्व मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के अधिवक्ता संघ के सभी सदस्यों की ओर से हमारे माननीय न्यायाधिपति श्री संजीव सचदेवा जी एवं मैडम सचदेवा जी के उत्तम स्वास्थ्य की प्रभु से कामना करता हूं, प्रभु से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि आप शीघ्र स्वस्थ होकर मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय की जनता को न्यायदान देना प्रारंभ करें। आपका वर्ष 2025 आपके जीवन का सर्वोत्तम वर्ष हो। माननीय न्यायाधिपति सुनीता यादव जी बीएससी एलएलबी की उपाधि को करने के उपरांत 7/9/1987 को सिविल जज के रूप में नियुक्त हुई। बाद में 1/10/2016 को अशोकनगर की जिला एवं सत्र न्यायाधीश नियुक्त हुई। अपनी न्यायिक सेवा के दौरान आप भोपाल गैस त्रासदी, दिल्ली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कमीशन इत्यादि जगहों पर अपनी सेवाएं प्रदान की। आपकी सेवाओं के दौरान आप सदैव निर्वाधित रहीं। अपनी न्यायिक सेवाओं के दौरान आपके द्वारा बार को अत्यंत सम्मान प्रदान किया जाता रहा और बार की समस्याओं का समुचित निराकरण किया जाता रहा। जिस प्रकार देश में आम जनता की समस्याओं के लिए समर्पित प्रधानमंत्री, वर्तमान प्रधानमंत्री सारी दुनिया में लोकप्रिय हो गए हैं, उसी प्रकार उस भांति बार की समस्याओं का निराकरण करने वाले न्यायाधीशों में आप आपकी भांति न्यायपालिका में लोकप्रिय होते हैं। न्यायालय में सरकार एक पक्षकार होती है, परंतु बार पक्षकार नहीं होती। अतः उच्च न्यायालय अधिवक्ता संघ आज इस न्यायालय के समक्ष देश के सभी माननीय न्यायाधीशों से आग्रह करता है कि प्रमाणित रूप से यह तथ्य स्वीकार कर लिया जाए कि न्यायालय में बार का स्थान हर वेतनभोगी सरकार से श्रेष्ठ है। बार न्यायाधीशों का समुद्र है और न्यायाधीश इस समुद्र के इक्के दुक्के मोती है। हमारे देश में ज्यादातर महिलाओं का स्थान घर की चूल्हा चक्की तक ही सीमित होता है। माननीय न्यायाधिपति श्रीमती सुनीता यादव जी ने कठिन परिश्रम और अपनी योग्यताओं से न्यायाधिपति जैसी पदवी प्राप्त की। इतने बड़े पद पर प्राप्त करने के उपरांत भी आप में अहंकार जैसा मानवीय दुर्गुण आ जाना स्वाभाविक होता है, परंतु माननीय न्यायाधिपति श्रीमती सुनीता यादव जी ने अपनी न्याय कासंदी के पास अहंकार जैसे दुर्गुणों को कभी भटकने ही नहीं दिया। आपके समक्ष हर हारे थके कमजोर पक्षकार को निर्भय होकर रखने का अवसर दिया। हमने देखा है रावण जैसा महापराक्रमी ज्ञानी महापराक्रमी योद्धा भी अहंकार के वशीभूत होकर अपने सगे भाई विभीषण को तिरस्कार कर लात मारकर सभा के बाहर निकाल दिया था। परिणाम क्या हुआ सारी जनता जानती है। जिस प्रकार जिस रावण की सर्वत्र पूजा होनी थी उसके एकमात्र दुर्गुण अहंकार ने कि मैं महाबली रावण, मैं क्यों किसी के सामने झुकूं, मात्र इस दुर्गुण ने उस महाबली रावण को महारथी रावण को रथी रघुवीर के सामने झुकने विवश कर दिया। परंतु हमारी माननीय न्यायाधिपति श्रीमती सुनीता यादव जी ने मां सीता की भांति ना तो अपने मन में अहंकार रखा, ना कभी अपने शत्रुओं के प्रति क्रोध रखा। जिस प्रकार रावण जैसे अहंकारी के साम्राज्य में भी अग्नि परीक्षा देकर जगत पूज्य बन गई, उसी प्रकार आपने न्याय कासंदी से में स्वयं को सारे दोषों से दूर रखते हुए अपनी न्याय कासंदी को जस का तस सम्मानजनक बनाए रखा। आपके इन महान गुणों के सामने मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय अधिवक्ता संघ नतमस्तक है और आपकी सेवानिवृत्ति के उपरांत आप सम्मान की पात्र बनी रहें। साथ ही भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि आपकी कीर्ति सदैव विद्यमान रहे, आप सदैव समाज में मान सम्मान का पात्र बनी रहे। इन्हीं भावनाओं के साथ मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय अधिवक्ता संघ आपके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता है।
I request President High Court Bar Association Indore Shri Ritesh Inani to deliver his farewell speech.
माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधिपति श्री सुरेश कुमार केस साहब, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्रीमती सुनीता यादव जी एवं उपस्थित माननीय न्यायमूर्तिगण, श्री प्रशांत सिंह जी महाधिवक्ता मध्य प्रदेश शासन, श्री पुष्पेंद्र यादव जी डिप्टी सॉलिसिटर जनरल यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, श्री हिमांशु जोशी जी डिप्टी सॉलिसिटर जनरल यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया इंदौर बेंच, श्री प्रवीण नेवास्कर जी डिप्टी सॉलिसिटर जनरल यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया ग्वालियर ब्रांच, श्री अंकुर मोदी जी एडिशनल एडवोकेट जनरल ग्वालियर, अदाउल्ला उस्मानी जी एडिशनल मेंबर स्टेट बार ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश, श्री डीके जैन अध्यक्ष उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ जबलपुर, श्री पवन पाठक जी अध्यक्ष उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ ग्वालियर, श्री संजय अग्रवाल जी अध्यक्ष हाईकोर्ट एडवोकेट बार एसोसिएशन जबलपुर, श्री आदित्य अधिकारी जी जनरल सेक्रेटरी सीनियर एडवोकेट काउंसिल। आज हम सभी माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्रीमती सुनीता यादव जी के सेवानिवृत्ति के विदाई के अवसर पर उपस्थित हुए हैं। आपका जन्म 13 जनवरी 1963 को हुआ था। बीएससी और एलएलबी की डिग्री प्राप्त करने के बाद आप 7/9/87 को मध्य प्रदेश न्यायिक सेवा में सिविल जज के रूप में शामिल हुई। आपको 13/6/94 को सिविल जज वर्ग 1 और उसके बाद मुख्य न्यायाधीश मजिस्ट्रेट एससीजेएम के रूप में पदोन्नत किया गया है। आपको 27/7/2000 को उच्च न्यायिक सेवा में पदोन्नत किया गया। 1/8/2008 को आपको चयन क्रेडिट स्केल और सुपर टाइम स्केल प्रदान किया गया। आपने अशोकनगर दतिया जिला एवं सत्र न्यायाधीश के रूप में काम किया। आपने उप कल्याण आयुक्त भोपाल गैस पीड़ित भोपाल दिल्ली विद्युत विनियामक आयोग दिल्ली और विशेष न्यायाधीश अनुसूचित जाति जनजाति अधिनियम विभिन्न पदों पर अपनी सेवाएं प्रदान की। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति सुनीता यादव जी को 25/6/21 को मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायाधीश के रूप में पदोन्नत किया गया। जब से ही आप अपना निरंतर कार्य कर रही थी, आपने अपनी न्याय सेवा में कई गरीब वर्गों के लिए भी अच्छे न्यायाधीश दिए हैं। मैं उच्च न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ की ओर से आपके सेवानिवृत्ति उपरांत उज्ज्वल भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ।
I request President High Court Bar Association Gwalior Shri Pawan Pathak to deliver his farewell speech.
माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधिपति श्री सुरेश कुमार कैद साहब, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्रीमती सुनीता यादव मैडम एवं सभी माननीय न्यायमूर्तिगण, श्री प्रशांत सिंह एडवोकेट जनरल, श्री पुष्पेंद्र यादव डिप्टी सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, श्री हिमांशु जोशी डिप्टी सॉलिसिटर जनरल फॉर यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया इंदौर बेंच, श्री प्रवीण निवासकर डिप्टी सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया ग्वालियर बेंच, श्री अंकुर मोदी, श्री रोहित मिश्रा, श्री पूरन कुलश्रेष्ठ, श्री दीपेन सिंह कुशवाहा एवं श्री विवेक खेड़कर एडवोकेट डबल एजी अयोध्या उस्मानी मेंबर स्टेट बार काउंसिल ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश, श्री डी के जैन साहब प्रेसिडेंट हाई कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन जबलपुर, श्री रितेश हिन्नानी प्रेसिडेंट हाई कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन इंदौर, श्री संजय अग्रवाल प्रेसिडेंट हाई कोर्ट बार एडवोकेट बार एसोसिएशन जबलपुर, श्री आदित्य अधिकारी जनरल सेक्रेटरी सीनियर एडवोकेट काउंसिल रजिस्ट्रार जनरल महोदय एवं उपस्थित माननीय न्यायाधीशगण, वरिष्ठ अधिवक्तागण एवं सचिव श्री महेश गोयल एवं सभी अधिवक्तागण साथी। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री सुनीता यादव जी का जन्म 13 जनवरी 1963 को हुआ था। आप वर्ष 1987 में सिविल जज के रूप में नियुक्त हुई। आप जिला सत्र न्यायाधीश के रूप में जिला दतिया एवं अशोकनगर में पदस्थ रही। आप दिल्ली भोपाल में विभिन्न पदों पर पदस्थ रही। आप दिनांक 25/6/2021 को उच्च न्यायालय में न्यायमूर्ति के पद में रूप में पदस्थ हुई। आपका सुमधुर व्यवहार एवं हम सभी अधिवक्ताओं के इस दिन में हमेशा याद रहेगा। आपके द्वारा कई नए निर्णय पारित किए गए जो मिसाल के रूप में जाने जाएंगे। मैं अपनी ओर से एवं मुख्य न्यायालय अभिभाषक संघ ग्वालियर के प्रत्येक सदस्य की ओर से आपको भावी जीवन के लिए हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित करता हूँ। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
I request President High Court Advocates Bar Association Jabalpur Shri Sanjay Agarwal to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice Shri Suresh Kumar Kaid, Honorable Judges of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Honorable Justice Mrs. Sunita Yadav and her family members, Shri Prashant Singh, Learned Advocate General, Shri Pushpendra Yadav, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India, Shri Himanshu Joshi, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India Indore Bench, Shri Praveen Kumar Nevaskar, Deputy Solicitor General for Union of India Gwalior Bench, Shri Ankur Modi, Additional Advocate General Gwalior, Shri Ahadullah Usmani, Member State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Dhanya Kumar Jain, President High Court Bar Association Jabalpur, Shri Ritesh Inani, President High Court Bar Association Indore, Shri Pawan Pathak, President High Court Bar Association Gwalior, Shri Aditya Adhikari, Secretary, Senior Advocates Council, Registrar General. Farewell to Honorable Justice Mrs. Sunita Yadav, who would demit her office on attaining the age of superannuation on 12th January 2025 after a distinguished and a successful career. Her ladyship joined the Madhya Pradesh Judicial Services as Civil Judge Class 2 on 7/9/87. After serving in the subordinate judiciary in different capacities for about 34 years, she was elevated as a judge of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh on 25/6/2021. Throughout her distinguished career as a judge, her ladyship has delivered numerous judgments of various jurisdictions which have immensely contributed towards the development of procedural and substantive law. It is often said that lawyers and judges never retire. Though her ladyship is retiring as a judge of this High Court, we are sure that she would continue to contribute her services towards the legal profession in different capacities. I, on my own behalf and on behalf of all the members of the association, wish her ladyship a good health, happiness, peace, and all best wishes in her future pursuits.
I request General Secretary, Senior Advocates Council, Jabalpur, Shri Aditya Adhikari to deliver his farewell speech.
Honorable Chief Justice, my Lord, Honorable Companion Judges, and Honorable Justice Sunita Yadav. We have assembled here today to bid farewell to Honorable Justice Yadav, who shall be demitting the high office of a judge of this High Court in a few days. Honorable Justice Yadav, after completing her education, had an exemplary career as a judge in the MP Judicial Services. Honorable Justice Yadav proved herself to be an excellent judge, and she was given recognition of this fact by her elevation to this Honorable High Court on 25th June 2021. Honorable Justice Yadav has played a major role in increasing the disposal of cases by deciding several complicated matters. She has also decided many legal issues which shall keep on guiding the legal fraternity for all times to come. The contribution of Honorable Justice Yadav to the judiciary shall be remembered by one and all. The retirement as a judge is not the end of a professional legal career, and in fact is an opening to a new and greater responsibility in future. I wish Honorable Justice Yadav all success for the upcoming new assignments. On behalf of the Senior Advocates Council and on my own behalf, I wish Her Honor a very happy retirement, good health, and all the best for the future.
I request Honorable Srimati Justice Sunita Yadav to reply to the farewell address.
My Lord Honorable the Chief Justice Sri Suresh Kumar Cat, my esteemed brothers and sister judges, main seat at Jabalpur and benches at Indore and Gwalior, former judges present on this occasion, presidents and members of Bar Council, President and Office Bearer of Bar Association, main seat at Jabalpur and benches at Indore and Gwalior, Advocate General, Additional Advocate General, Solicitor General, Additional Solicitor General, Principal Registrars and other officers of the registry, officers of the registry at main seat Jabalpur and benches at Indore and Gwalior, Principal District Judges, Inspection and all senior advocates and other respected members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to take this moment to share with you all my sincere gratitude for the time I spent here in the court. I have been in the system of justice dispensation for more than 37 years and had a great and wonderful experience to work at all levels. I am so thankful to Almighty God for giving me opportunity to join this highly respected profession. I began my career in 1987 through my successive roles as civil judge class 2 onwards. I have seen the consistency as well as the progression of law. I cleared the judicial service examination just after I had appeared for LLB final year exam at the age of 23 years. This provided me an opportunity to join the legal profession at a very young age in District Court of Raipur, now in Chhattisgarh. Through the years in the system, I have witnessed the joys and the pain in the eyes of litigants in their quest for justice, which many times is rather delayed but never denied. I would like to say that whatever I could do was part of my duty as a judge. My feelings and thoughts range from nostalgia and gratitude, being overwhelmed as I reflect 7 years I spent in the judicial system at different levels. In my humble efforts and ways, I feel satisfied that I contributed to the preservation of justice. I believe that I too have been rewarded by the honor and confidence you all have installed in me. In the district judiciary service career, we have been moving to different places. It was really a tough task to find good schools for our child, who every time had to adjust in different school and college environments. I am eternally grateful to my cooperative husband, Dr. S.P. Yadav, and my son, Dr. Siddharth. Both of them are also excelling in their respective careers. My husband, who is an IFS officer, is committed to the conservation of tigers and other wildlife. He has won prestigious national and international awards for his contribution for conservation of tigers and other wildlife. He also headed Project Cheetah in India. He is my best friend, guide, and philosopher. My son, Dr. Siddharth Yadav, with a PhD from University of London, is currently working in the field of public policy research in London. To the best of my abilities and support of everyone, including my family, I had grown and tried to excel in the profession which was my childhood dream. I have seen the system grow and leave its impact on the development of an orderly society. My work ethic was noticed and appreciated from the very beginning, something that I have never and will never forget to appreciate. And here, indeed, I wish to share that my father, late Shri R.P. Yadav, and my mother, Srimati Shakuntala Yadav, always advised me to just believe in one thing. Do your assigned duty sincerely and honestly, and be positive about the outcome. My parents have always been my source of strength and encouragement. They had faith in me more than myself. I believe that even from another world, my father has always been showering his blessings upon me. I also had the good fortune to have wonderful family, excellent teachers, and invaluable friends and colleagues. During the span over 3 years in the High Court, I made my best efforts and was able to dispose of around 14,000 cases. I had an opportunity to deal with cases in various jurisdictions, including writ petitions, regular appeals, criminal cases of all kinds, and the division bench appeals, family matters, etc. In the High Court of Madhya Pradesh, I have had a lovely period spending with all my brother colleagues, all of whom are the people with immense knowledge and great source of inspiration. I found each of my brother and sister judges full of care, affection, and sharing wonderful thoughts and lighter moments. Though I was not fortunate enough to work under the able guidance of my Lord Honorable the Chief Justice for a substantial period of time, but from the first interaction, I found Lordship a great human being, a great source of inspiration and motivator. His pleasant demeanor eases all stress and tensions out. I would remain grateful to Lordship always. बार को धन्यवाद दिए बिना यह स्पीच अधूरी रहेगी. मैं बार के सभी सदस्यों को धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि जिन्होंने न्याय प्रदान करने में हमेशा मेरा सहयोग किया. बार और बेंच न्याय के रथ के दो पहिए होते हैं और बिना आपके सहयोग के मेरे द्वारा यह संभव नहीं था कि मैं निष्ठा से और मेहनत के साथ अपना काम कर पाती. Here I wish to place on record my appreciation, particularly about the staff of registry, my staff and associates over the years, who all have been supportive and understanding and have had to deal with my occasional outbursts. They have always been devoted, sincere, and hardworking, providing great service to the system. I place on record my gratitude for my staff, Secretary to the Judge, Sri Sanjay Durgekar, Srimati Vandana Verma, Senior PA Sri Lokendra Jain, Sri Alok Kumar, PA Vipin Agrahari, Reader Sri Virendra Rohitas, Law Researcher Vaishnavi Parasar, APO Sri Deepak Bangar, Driver Sri Renu Manchi, Usher Sri Kali Charan, PSO Sri Mongia, Sri Roop Singh Rawat, and all employees working at my bungalow. I hope those of us